Hello friends, this is Isha here again, and today I am going to explain what are the basic expenses we have in Dubai. I got many questions from many of my friends who are outside UAE that what are the basic expenses we have in Dubai, how much is the accommodation cost, how much is the utility cost, how much is the transportation cost, many different questions like how much is the grocery cost. So I just want to create this video that this will help all of them to get the basic idea that what is the minimum cost which is needed for surviving in Dubai and to live happily with their families in Dubai. So I just did some of the research in the different areas of Dubai. What is the minimum cost of living there? Then what are the minimum grocery cost? How much the utility payments you need to give? So let's start from the housing allowances. Some of the good companies used to give the housing allowance to their employees. That really helped because that is the main cost which we have in Dubai, because it takes approximately how much I can say, approximately 40% of your salary. So it is like if your company is giving you the housing allowance, then that is really beneficial and you can save a lot in Dubai, because the rest of the expenses are not much in Dubai. So let's start with the housing allowance. So for housing, I just did a survey on different reasons. What are the cheapest reasons we have in Dubai where we can live with our family happily, and there are very good areas also where you need to give good rent to have a good living standard. So the cheapest places which we have in Dubai for renting are in Dubai International City, then Al Qasas, Discovery Garden, Dubai Silicon Oasis, IMPZ. Then the main city area is Bar Dubai, Mankul, Burjuman. So these are the cost of those areas. Then very the good posh areas are Marina. We have Al Barsha, Tcom, then Zumeira, then Palm Zumeira. So different reasons are there for different types of the people. Like some don't want to expend much in living costs, so to give a rent. So they just took these areas to live with their family. Some choose a good posh localities where they want to live, like in JLT, in Al Barsha. So different reasons have different cost. So I took a minimum cost which is needed. Like there are different kinds of the apartment: studio, one bedroom, two bedroom. So the studio have a size nearby to 500 square feet maximum. Then one bedroom is having from 500 till 1000 square feet of area. Then 1200 square feet of areas are also there in some of the residential apartment. Then for two bedroom it start from 900 to 1500 square feet, 2000 square feet. Then there are villas also. So it depends on the need. So this is what the cost of rent. Then except the rent, what else we need to give is the tenant used to give 5% commission, then 5% of security deposit, then Izari, and for getting a electricity and water connection you need to give Deva security deposit, which is nearby to 2100. Then this amount can be given either in two checks. So there are different modes of payment, either two check, four check, or some used to give in 12 checks. So it depends what is written on your contract. On the basis of the contract, the amount need to be given. So this is what the housing allowance, which housing cost which everyone need to bear to live in Dubai. So I just want to say that suppose if you are earning in between 15 to, let's take it, 30, so approximately you can save 20 to 30% of your salary, and the rest you can expend in Dubai. So this is the housing cost. Then let's move to the utility bill payment. So for utility bill payment, the basic one is the Deva. So if you are a family of two members or three, four, depend on the usage. So your cost comes near about to 450 dirham to 1000, sometimes 1500. So it depends on the usage. Then except Deva, you have a Wi-Fi connection cost. So if you are using a 10 Mbps Etisalat or Due, then the minimum cost would come nearby to 350, which includes your TV connection, your landline connection, many different packages they have, Due and Etisalat. So you can choose anyone. So this is the minimum cost which you need to bear. Then if you are cooking, then you need a LPG connection. So some of the residential apartment have gas pipeline, some have cylinder. So approximately the cost come nearby to 50 dirham or 100 dirham for two people. For two, like a cylinder can go for 2 months. Then LPG connection every month a bill used to come. So it's like 50 dirham to 100 dirham. So it is not much expensive. So you can bear that in this much of salary. Then we have a grocery cost. So this is what the basic thing. Like I cover some of the basic food items which family need to eat in a month. So it depends on the cost come on the number of members you have. If you have children, then your expense increase. Then it depends on the cooking and eating habits also. Some used to cook every day, some people don't cook every day, they eat outside. So it depends, the cost depend on them. So approximately I just took a rough number. So in a month approximately your cost comes in between 1000 to 2000 or sometimes 2500 also. It depends. Some used to cook non-veg, so for non-veg you need to expend much. So different varieties are there. So for food there is a huge variety in Dubai. You don't need to worry about fooding, because here you will find each and every type of cuisine, different kinds of food. So you will find everything in Dubai. Different in different supermarkets you will find different variety of food, different brands, everything you will find here. And now some like nowadays everyone is having a habit to dine outside, either in lunch or dinner, once in a week, twice in a week, thrice in a week. So there in Dubai it's a hub of restaurants. You will find every different cuisine, you will find different restaurant where you can go and eat, you can try different foods of different regions. So the cost come, it depends on which area or which restaurant you are going. Like in Bur Dubai International City, Karama, you will find a huge number of restaurant for veg, non-veg, and you will find a different range of restaurant also. Like they start from 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 dirham, 100 dirham, 150 dirham. So it depends on which kind of area you're going. Then if you go to some good restaurant, then you need to expend approximately 150 dirham, 200, 300, 400. So it up to you how much you want to spend. So there are a huge range of restaurant, from a lower to a higher end also. Very big hotels also which run their buffet and all. So you can spend as much as you want. So this is the grocery cost. Then the main cost comes in transportation. So if someone is not owning his or her own car, then they need to spend on transportation also. Like if you are using bus, metro, tram, monorail or downtown trolley, then you need to have a NOL card which RTA issues. So you can spend, it is not like you need to spend too much. So the maximum travel cost is 7.50 dirham, or in tram and monorail the charges are more also. So it depends, but this is the maximum cost for traveling from one place to another. And the network is well connected. Few of the areas are there which are not connected, so you can use taxi services also, where the meters start from 5.50 dirham. Then the minimum payment you need to make a 12 dirham. So it's like you can use taxi to travel to different places. Then if you have a UAE driving license, then you can rent a car also. You can use the rent a car service. You will find very good cars and different rents. So minimum you will find in 50 dirham. Then it goes what car you are selecting. So on the basis of the car you will need to pay a rent. So it's like the transportation is also very convenient in Dubai. And if you are owning your own car, or you want to own your own car, then also the expense not much, because petrol is very less, and only the yearly registration cost you need to bear. Or if you got fine, if you don't follow the rule, then you need to give fine also. So it's like transportation is also good facilities are there for transportation also. So by considering all these points, I just want to highlight that in Dubai the living is not very much, it is expensive, but it is not like that we can't bear that. Only the main cost comes in renting an apartment. Rest all other costs are not much, and you can enjoy everything here. All all UK trends, all US trends, all Indian festivals, everything you can celebrate here. And you will find different localities where you will find different people. You can talk to different region people. You can experience the different vast variety of people here. So it's like Dubai is a nice place to live, where you can live happily with your family. So don't take tension, just enjoy your life in Dubai. Hope this video will help everyone to have a basic idea, or to have a like basic idea that how much you need to spend in Dubai. So dear friends, if you like this video, do subscribe my channel, like my video. Hope you will enjoy this video. Thank you very much. Thank you.